Hello, grade 1 students. How are you all today? I hope you all had fun in doing the last ICT activity on clocks. Did you enjoy it? Was it useful for you? Okay, but this week's ICT activity is so much fun and something that you have never done before. Okay, so the lesson objective for this week in ICT is you are going to learn how to search the internet. Okay, because you're going to spend a lot of time at home and you're studying online and you're going to be using the computer more. I thought it would be best to show you how to search the internet for information, okay? Not just search the information, we are also going to learn how to search information safely on the internet. Remember we spoke about being safe on the internet? Yes, these are some of the keywords that you will be using today. Search engine. You will learn what is a search engine. You will learn how to type the correct question. You will also know that you should not be clicking on advertisements because sometimes when you click on advertisements, they take you to a website which may have virus and that might infect your computer. Okay? And remember, always safety first when you're on the internet. Make sure you have your parents or some elders around you to help you when you get stuck. You will be seeing a list of 10 questions, okay? Try to answer at least 5 questions. But if you can, try to answer all the 10. But you try for a minimum at least 5 questions. Don't forget to click on the submit button at the bottom when you are done. And from this week onwards, I'm going to start giving away golden dojo points. I hope you remember. Yes, you can earn, the whole class can earn dojo points if I see if I see the classes that have the most number of responses and most number of comments saying that you have finished and you enjoyed the activity, you will get golden dojo points, not just for one student, but for the whole class. Yes. And are you ready for today's activity? Yes, you know that you must go to our class website. Do you remember the little robot? Yes. Now the address for our class website, don't worry, I'm going to link it in your Edmodo page as well. The address for our class website is www.supercoders.wordpress.com. Students who are with Mr. Neil's Coding School will go to Mr. Neil's Coding School website to access this activity. Are you ready? Okay, so what you're going to be doing today is, first things first, you are going to go to Google Chrome. I'm going to show you how to go to Google Chrome. Just a minute. You're going to go to Google Chrome and here it is. You're going to go to Google Chrome and then you're going to go to grade 1. Do you see grade 1 over here? Yes, you're going to click on grade 1 and then wait for it. Has it turned red? Yes, it is. Now you're going to go down at the bottom. You're going to click, this is the form which has 10 questions. Now, if you click on this form over here on this picture, it'll take you to your activity. Now, this is the form where you're going to see the questions. You need to search the answers for each of this question and write your answer down in this green line over here. Now, where will you search for these answers? At the top of the form, I have given you an address. Please use www.safesearchkids.com. Make sure you click on this. It'll take you to Google's Safe Search website. This is the website. It is for kids, and this is the website that you will use today to search for information. Okay, now this has opened up over here. Do you see the little S over here? This stands for Google Safe Search Kids. Go back to your form, which is open up here. Read the first question. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Now you're going to go back to the Google Safe Search Kids. This is the blue box over here. Do you see the blue box with a magnifying glass? You need to click in here and type in the question that you saw. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Now, even I don't know which is the highest mountain. So let's find out together. I'm going to do one question for you. Remember, you will have to do the other questions, okay? Which is the highest mountain in the world? Now, to go find out how to find which is the highest mountain, we must click inside the blue box and type. You don't have to type which is. You just have to type highest, Highest, highest space bar mountain in the world. Type it and then press the magnifying glass. As soon as you press the magnifying glass, you will see that the results will come down. Now remember, all these are advertisements. Do not click on these advertisements. Use the bar on your right to help you go down. Now, the answers are coming up here. Do you see that? Highest mountain in the world. Do you see how it's written here? The answer. You must look for the answer. The peak of Mount Everest. Do you see that? The Mount Everest is 8,850 meters above sea level. No other mountain on earth has a higher altitude. So the answer to this question is Mount Everest. So you need to copy the answer from here. Click on it and right click, click on copy, come back to the form and click here, right click and paste. Now, if you don't want to copy and you really want to know and you know your spellings, look at the spelling carefully. MountEverest. Come back to the form and you can even type in the answer. Okay? Now you go to the next question. What is a baby cow called? So you know what to do. You know to go back to the safe search, go to this box over here and type baby cow called and press the magnifying glass. Okay, now you have a choice. If you don't want to type in the question, you can also use the mic button over here. Click here and you can ask your question. What is a baby cow called? Okay, now that way you can search for information. I hope you will finish all these 10 questions. Actually, I did one for you. So I hope you finish all the 9 questions and then at the bottom, click on submit. And when you click on submit, I will get all the answers and You just might earn your golden dojo points. Are you ready? Yes, I'm waiting for you to finish this and you can win your dojo points. Until I see you next week, keep learning, and you can also message me whenever you want to know more about about searching the internet safely. Okay? See you then. Bye.